good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 18th January. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames. So this is the chart of Nifty 50 spot prices. On the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 13,996 levels. And on a weekly time frame, we had a situation in which market closed the week under control of sellers. That is, we have a red candlestick on the weekly time frame as market closed below the open, and the open was 14,474 levels. So straight away here you can see now there's a conflict in the monthly and the weekly time frame. And in terms of the daily time frame, you will see that on Thursday we had an inside candlestick which has broken down to the downside. So on Thursday high was 14,617.8, and on Friday the high was lower than Thursday's high. So inside candle has broken to the downside. So now in terms of the market structure, we are in a situation where we have made a lower high and a lower low. And based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for 18th January, and scenario for Monday 18th January is that above 14,433 levels market can trade towards 14,617 levels, 14,687 levels, and potentially 14,775 levels. And on the flip side, below 14,357 levels market can trade towards 14,303 levels, 14,287 levels, and potentially 14,199 levels. And we have a neutral price range of 14,433 to 14,357, in which conservative traders can refrain from making any trades in the market. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list for Monday. The stocks that we have chosen are Bajaj Finance, Infosys, Lupin. So if we see Bajaj Finance, it is on the monthly time frame under control of sellers as it is trading below its monthly open. And on the weekly time frame, again it is under control of sellers as it is trading below its open. And on the daily time frame on Friday, we had a situation where we formed an inside candle. So Thursday and Friday we had inside candles. So basically market is consolidating in Bajaj Finance. So if we trade below 4,842.3 levels, it would be a situation in which all the time frames are under control of sellers. That is, sellers would be aggressive in hitting the bids. So there is a chance that this inside candle can break to the downside, and the market can trend lower for the next week. Our second stock is Infosys. On the monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, it is also under control of buyers. Technically, it closed above its open. On the daily time frame, we had a situation where we had an inside candle. So if this trades above 13,364.5 levels, we would have a situation in which in all the time frames Infosys will come under control of buyers. So we'll look for buying opportunities only above 1364.5 levels. And our third stock for Monday is Lupin. If you will see the common theme, all these stocks on the daily time frame are inside candles. That is, they're consolidating on the daily time frame. So this is Lupin on monthly time frame. It is under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, again it is under control of buyers. On daily time frame, we had an inside candle. So we look for buying opportunity above 1112.9 levels. When that happens, it would be a situation in which Lupin would be at that point of time and price would be under control of buyers on all the time frames. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 1112.9 levels. So this is our stock watch list for 18th January, but I will also share with you the stocks that are on our watch list for this whole week. So these are the stocks which on monthly time frames are forming inside weekly candles. So Bata India, Cummins India, Hindalco, India Bull Housing Finance, ICICI General Insurance, Indus Tower, JSW Steel, MFSL, MGL, Naukri, RBL Bank, SBI Life, Shriram Transport Finance, Tata Steel, Torrent Power, VEDL, and ZEEL. They all have formed inside weekly candles, so I would also be observing these stocks for the coming week. I would like to summarize that above 14,433 on the index tomorrow, that is 18th January, we can trade towards 14,617 levels, 14,687 level, and potentially 14,775 levels. And below 14,357, we can potentially trade towards 14,303, 14,287, and 14,199 levels. So we have to remember that on Monday, that is tomorrow, two new time frames are going to be opening, that is the daily time frame as well as the new weekly time frame. And our stock watch list comprises of inside candles on the daily time frame, Bajaj Finance, Lupin, and Infosys. So inside candles are formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look for opportunities if they break either side of their high-low range of Friday, which in Monday's context is going to be previous day highs or previous day lows. Finally, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button and see the description section of this video. There you can find link to all our recent blog posts. And once again, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel.